In this video, let's talk about how to use the Venmo Stash Cashback program. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now, if you're trying to enable the Stash rewards within the Venmo application, this is a quite simple process. All you want to do is head over to the Venmo application and then head over to the profile section or the me section, where you should be able to see the option called Stash Title, or you can straight away see the option called Stash Rewards. You simply want to head over to it and you should be able to see a similar option which you can tap on Join Stash Now. As soon as you do that, you need to browse through the available categories or the bundles that are already within the Venmo platform, and you can simply tap on the enroll option on your preferred merchant bundle. Once you've done that and once you have enabled this and selected your merchant bundle, all you need to do is spend using the Venmo debit or the Venmo online checkout. So whether you're in a physical store, you can use the Venmo to pay, or during the checkout online as well, or you should use Venmo in order to check out and pay so that you get the 5% cash back. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to use the Venmo Stash Cashback program. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.